ByteDance just entered the image gen ring with the release of Seedream 5.0 Lite, while Google just released Nano Banana 2. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today I'm jumping back over to Artlist to put Seedream 5.0 and Nano Banana 2 through the ringer. Artlist also has the new Seedance 2.0 video model rolling out very soon, which I'm incredibly excited for. We're back over on the main Artlist interface. Let's have a look and see what's new. And would you look at that, right at the very top, Nano Banana 2 is now on Artlist. We can see the model at the bottom as well. We also have Seedream 5.0 right here as well. When it comes to ByteDance's Seedream 5.0, it excels at creating clean, high-quality images with strong prompt understanding, up-to-date context awareness, accurate text rendering, and professional-grade visual detail. Whereas Nano Banana 2, we're talking about faster generation, higher prompt accuracy, strong realism and texture handling, and improved editing consistency. So why don't we put these two models to the test? Okay, I'm just over here on the AI toolkit within Artlist. Let's have a look at the image models. We've got Nano Banana 2 starting at 150 credits, while Seedream 5.0 starts at 100. So for today's video, let's zero in on 4 categories. Number 1, turn complex ideas into visuals. Number 2, precision text and editing. 3, visualizing complex knowledge. And 4, cinematic and complex. Here's my first prompt. Design a luxury perfume brand concept inspired by childhood nostalgia. Let's punch in Nano Banana 2 and then Seedream 5.0. Exact same prompt. First up, Nano Banana 2. Here's the second one. Next up, Seedream. And then here's the second one. Now I gotta say, both models took a completely different approach. I feel like Nano Banana 2 is more lifestyle focused, while Seedream is more of a product style focus. Alright, next up, precision text and editing. Here is my prompt, going with a product shot of a premium coffee bag called Rainbow Roast. Tie-dye rainbow pattern, clean modern white typography. Let's start with 2 outputs for Nano Banana 2, and then a pair for Seedream as well. First up, Nano Banana 2. Here's my second generation. Then we have the first one for Seedream, and then the second one. Now for this demo, I gotta say, both models followed my direction to a T. We've got the clean white background, it's minimalistic, got the tie-dye style of coffee bag. I think this one just comes down to personal preference, but I feel like the coloring with the Nano Banana 2 version pulls this one ahead. For the next one, we're gonna focus on visualizing complex knowledge. Design a clear infographic mapping the global water cycle, including evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. First up, Nano Banana 2. Now this particular generation from Nano Banana 2 does an excellent job. This is a really clean graphic. We've got the evaporation, condensation, precipitation. All the colors work really well together. The diagram is super clean and clear to follow. Now the Seedream 5.0 one gets the job done, but it just feels a little bit too simple. Looks like we have a spelling mistake right here, and then this arrow does something super wonky. All right, for the next one, let's do a cinematic and complex test. I'm going with a Roman gladiator facing off against an emperor inside of a coliseum. So I've identified my subject, the action, the environment, cinematography, and style. Let's start with Seedream this time. So here's our first one, and then here's our second one. I want to say this generation is just okay. It's not fantastic, it's not terrible, somewhere right in the middle. Okay, now over to Nano Banana 2. This generation is much better. Way more cinematic, way more lifelike. I love how the lighting pierces through the Colosseum right onto the fighters. This is a fantastic generation. Now you might be asking yourself, how would this all compare to Nano Banana Pro? Now keep in mind, at the moment within Artlist, Nano Banana Pro starts from 400 credits, whereas again, Nano Banana 2 starts at 150 and then Seedream at 100. So how about this? I'm going to quickly go through all of our prompts today, but now I'm going to use Nano Banana Pro for all the generations. All right, here we go. First up is our nostalgic perfume. Then we have our tie-dye minimalistic coffee. Next up is the infographic on our global water cycle. And then we have our cinematic gladiator shot. And this one is super epic. Well, I think we learned something today, and that is that Nano Banana Pro might just still be the image generation king. But depending on the type of outputs that you're generating, Seedream 5.0 and Nano Banana 2 might very well be better options, especially if you want to create bulk generations at a cheaper price point. There we have it today. We just showed off Seedream 5.0, Nano Banana 2, and then of course, Nano Banana Pro, all within Artlist. Now, if you want to give all this a shot today within Artlist, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description and pinned comment below as always. And remember, the new Seedance 2.0 video model is rolling out very soon within Artlist, so be sure to be on the lookout for that one. Now with all that, good luck and have fun with your generations.